Could the coming years see Asia at the helm of the global economy? How might the economic landscape shift in the world's largest and most populous continent? These questions spark intrigue and speculation among economists and policymakers alike. Having witnessed Asia's remarkable economic transformation in the late 20th and early 21st centuries, we've observed a trend of consistent growth and development. Fast-forwarding to the year 2024, we find ourselves in an era where Asia's economy is poised to make significant strides. From 2024 to 2030, experts project an increase in Asia's GDP growth rate, fueled by emerging markets and technological advancements. The rise of digital economies, particularly in Southeast Asia, is a key element in this economic surge. We anticipate that by 2030, Asia, led by China and India, will account for more than half of the world's GDP. In the mid-30s, we expect a shift towards a more sustainable and inclusive economic model. This period will likely see increased investments in green technologies and a focus on reducing income inequality. China's Belt and Road Initiative, a massive global development strategy, is projected to reach completion by 2035, further bolstering Asia's economic influence. The late 30s will potentially usher in a period of economic stability, with balanced growth across various sectors. Economists predict a rise in consumer spending, particularly in the middle class. By 2040, the Asian economy might not only be the largest in the world, but also the most diverse and sustainable. So, what does Asia's economic state look like in 2040? Picture an economy that is not only vast in size, but also complex in its diversity. An economy where technological innovation and sustainability are at the forefront. An economy that has risen from being a collection of developing nations to a powerhouse of global influence. Indeed, the future of Asia's economy is a fascinating subject, filled with potential and promise. As we move forward, it's important to keep an eye on this dynamic region, as it may very well shape the future of the global economy. As the old saying goes, the future belongs to those who prepare for it. In the case of Asia, it seems that the future is already at their doorstep.